Okay, here's a chopper company boss. First we will do a Deadeye. Deadeyes will not kill them, so don't waste your Deadeyes. Deadeye will kill this one. Gone. Bullseye. 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 Now we bring it in. Darkstorm, Technicals, and one Serb. Put him in the shadow. Good enough. Take him out. Come on, get over here. Get over here. Take these guys out so they don't hurt our escorts. Okay, retreat, and then bring in 4 escorts. Escort's going to clear out this side, just the front. All right, retreat them. All right, bring this guy a little bit closer. Right there, close enough. Deselect. Now I'm going to bring in escorts. So I retreated all the technicals, and I have 11 escorts. This goes a little bit quicker, and it kills the chopper bosses much quicker. Let's take out another boss. Just let them do their work. Just don't let these guys get inside the red circles of the boss. Other than that, you're okay. Just wait, let him come to you. Don't fight him. Here he comes. He's the next one to die. Only thing is just move them around a little bit so they don't get in the red circles. Red circles will kill them. Here we come. That's it. And you're done. And you get another part. That's all she wrote. It's just that easy.